Hello everyone, today I want to show you a Blender add-on that I made called GameReady Optimizer. If you make models for games in Blender, you probably know that optimization can sometimes take a lot of time. So I wanted to make something that helps speed up the process. This add-on helps analyze selected objects, clean meshes safely, and automatically generate LODs for game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. First, let's analyze the selected object. With one click, the add-on shows useful information like triangle count, object count, material count, and estimated LOD triangles. This helps you understand if your model is optimized for games or not. Next, we have Safe Optimize. This feature safely cleans the mesh. It removes loose vertices, recalculates face normals, applies transforms, and removes empty material slots. The goal is to improve the model without damaging it. Now for my favorite feature, automatic LOD generation. The add-on creates multiple levels of detail automatically. You can customize quality settings for LOD 1, LOD 2 and LOD 3. It also places the generated LODs automatically, so they are easier to preview. This can save a lot of time when preparing assets for games. After creating the LODs, you can export the model and use it inside game engines like Unity. This can improve performance, especially when working with larger environments. This project is still improving, and I plan to add more features in the future. If you have suggestions, feel free to share them. Thanks for watching.